Step 1. Open the box and remove the product, then place them neatly. Step 2. Remove the original bolt from the bottom tailgate of the vehicle according to the video. Install the bracket on the tailgate and tighten it with the original vehicle bolt for fixation. Step 3. Assemble the bolts and washers. Install the assembled bolts on the tailgate according to the video. Then tighten and fix all the bolts. Repeat this process to complete the installation of the opposite bracket. Step 4. Assemble all the bolts and washers. Connect the 3 rear bumper guards using the assembled bolts as shown in the video. Step 5. Install the assembled rear bumper guard onto the bracket. Use the assembled bolts to attach it to the tailgate according to the video. Then tighten the bolts to complete the installation.